Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and send a snap streak. So what streak means? A streak on Snapchat is when two people snap each other for 3 or more consecutive days on Snapchat. The more snaps are sent to each other, the longer the streak will become. For example, if you and your friend were to snap each other for 10 days, there will be a fire emoji with the number 10 beside it. The number indicates how many days your streak is. In order to start a streak, open the Snapchat application and sign into your account. In order to start the streak, you will need to ask for it first. Otherwise, the contact won't know whether you want to start it or not. Here are some ways to ask someone for streak. First, you can send a message asking for it. For example, let me go to the chat and tap and open one of my contacts and type, "Do you want to start a streak?" and send it to your contact. You can only send it to the contact you already are friends on Snapchat. Another way you can start streak to add a story with the text streaks. Click any picture you would like and type in streaks, place it to your story wherever you want to do it, and once you are done, tap on send to and post it on your story. If anyone want to do streaks with you, then they can respond directly to your story. If they don't, there is no need for them to respond to it as they can ignore your story. If someone agrees to find someone that wants to streak with you, then you will need to send them a streak to start your Snapchat streak. So just click a photo or video like that and tap on this send to, and you can send any of your friend you want to start the streak with. As you can see, these fire emojis and the numbers, these are the snap streaks. So that's how you can start Snapchat streak. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.